Okay, so we are going to start creating our basic project. So basically what we are going to do is we are going to create a project, Visual Studio. So you will create a new project. You will go to search Blazor app. You name the project however you want. I'll name it Blazor VTI Blazor Video Insights. In this case, I'll show you how to create it because I already created. And in my case, course, I like to suffix them with SLN. And then we will choose Blazor WebAssembly app and we will select ASP.NET Core hosted. So we have a server side and progressive web application. So it's a kind of installable application and we will hit create. My case, I have already created the basics for the project, which is already created in here, and that's a basic Blazor application. And then you can build it and run it and verify that everything is okay. In the next video, we are going to learn how to create the automated test project, and we are going to start coding from there. As I mentioned, as I mentioned before, I think this the code is going to be source coded in this URL, and that I will leave in the description of the videos. You will need to get the development branch, and you can get from there. We will have the full course in there if you want to the full the whole code, the completed code, if you want to compare it against anything. Okay, and yeah, I'll see you in the next video where we are going to see how to do the automated testing for our project.